All right, hello, welcome to week 9. We're very excited to get this one started. This is geared towards the Pretty Muddy, which is going to be on the 28th of this month. And ladies, if you have not signed up yet and you would like to join the Calistoga Fit team, please ask us for more information and we'll be more than happy to help. All right, so for our first station, we have overhead squat. Now we're going to use this bar for the demonstration, but there will be another rod here for you. So you're going to make sure you're going to have it over your head here. You're going to roll your shoulders back. And it's important to keep your chest up and your back flat. So level 1, you're going to be on the ground. Feet are going to be about shoulder width apart. And you're going to sit your hips back and then standing right back up. Keeping your back flat and your chest up. And then level 2 is going to be on the bow suit. You're going to take a step up here. Make sure the handles are side to side. Hopping yourself up. And scooting your feet. And then hands up. And then sitting your hips back. All right, station 2 is going to be dumbbell RDLs. And so there will be a few set out here for you, and we can help you as well with posture. And so just like the overhead squat, you want to make sure your chest is going to be up, rolling your shoulders back and keeping a flat back. So again, being about hips width apart, rolling your shoulders back, make sure your back is flat, knees slightly bent. You're going to reach forward till you feel a pull in your hamstrings and then driving through your heels. That is what's bringing you back up to your starting point. Again, keeping your back flat, chest out, and then back up. One more, and then coming back up there. All right, station 3 is going to be a lateral hop to a burpee. So level 1 is going to be just thrusters, where you're going to stay on the ground here, starting in a plank, and then bringing your knees in towards your chest, and then out back to a plank. And then level 2, the fun one, hopping over, back, and then into a burpee here. And so round 1, you're going to be staying on this other side. Round 2 or 3, you're going to be starting onto the other side as well, so evening it out. All right, so station 4 is going to be the duck waddle. So you're going to start at the cone that's going to be here. You're going to get into a low squat. Again, keeping your chest up, your back flat. Stepping forward with one leg, and then you're going to alternate. Stepping here, making sure your chest is staying up. And making it all the way to the glass, and then coming on back. Next, we're going to have upward wood chops. So you're going to be using the rope. You're going to extend the rope, so one end is going to be at the end here, the other is going to be at the top. I hold it as a grip with my palms facing kind of towards my body and my legs. And then keeping your arms straight as you can, you're pulling it up, twisting, and then letting it come back down just slowly, and then back up here. And I'm driving it a lot with my arm that is facing or the closest to the weights, and then using your abs here, belly button in, twisting to each side. And so then you would repeat that to your other side. And there it goes. All right, so then your next station, you're going to be doing sit-ups with the ball toss. So level 1, if you need to have it something for your back, there are the small blue balls you can put back here, so then it limits your range of motion going all the way down. But if not, you're here, you're tossing it, coming down, and catching it as you go down into your sit-up. All right, the next one we have here is going to be the alternating glider slide. So you can have your knees here up onto the pad, have your hands here, each on a glider. You're going to alternate the reach that you have the hands. So you're going to bring one arm down, coming back up, and then you're going to switch. Going out as far as you can. Up. Again, making sure you're keeping your back flat and not doing any sagging motion right there. Keeping everything nice and straight. All right, the next one we have is a single arm row with the TRX. So you want to make sure your straps are together. And so as you do this, you're going to hold it with one hand, keeping your hips angled towards your anchor point. You're going to let yourself come down, let your arm twist, and then pulling back up right towards your anchor point, really focusing on the muscles right in between your shoulder blades. And here and up. keeping your body straight. So after you do either 10 or 12 to 15 on that side, you're gonna go ahead and switch sides. And up. All right, and last one we have in our circuit, as we like to call it, the Game of Thrones. So you will be doing each side, each round that you do this. So you're gonna hang on to both of the ends here, hold it in a fist, whichever hand on the top is more comfortable for you. Get yourself in a lower squat, and as it looks like you're gonna go and stab someone. So do an equal amount on each side. And there you have this week's circuit. Hope you have fun. We hope to see you in the gym.